Warning: the following video is raw and unscripted. Ranting and rambling may occur. Viewer discretion is advised.
Don't let the ghosts and the ghouls disturb you.
Hey guys, it's Josh from Nightmare on Woodsboro Lake. Today we're going to do a little bit of a walking through the woods review. Now, today I am going to be giving a quick spoiler-free review of Vincent DiSanti's Never Hike Alone, a Friday the 13th fan film. Now, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I don't know if I'll be a little bit biased here, but I absolutely loved this movie. Because, you know, me, aside from Ghostface, Jason Voorhees is my favorite horror icon of all time. And this film, in my opinion, brought a whole new breath of life into the Friday the 13th universe. Now, quick synopsis here. A young outdoor vlogger gentleman, Kyle MacLeod, goes out hiking and camping out, you know, near this lake, and we end up finding out he has stumbled upon the Camp Crystal Lake and has to come face to face with our man Jason. And it makes for quite a crazy adventure for him, something that I don't think he has ever faced in any of his other hikes. And definitely does the title justice to Never Hike Alone, because when you're out there by yourself and you run into a psycho with a hockey mask, you're gonna really wish you hadn't. But I think all the acting in this was very well done. I really enjoyed the ghost version of Jason that they have created with Womp Stomp Films and Vincent DiSanti. And we get a special cameo appearance. I'm not going to disclose who. If you haven't seen it, I definitely highly recommend watching this film. And if you have, I'd love to hear what you thought of the film. If you definitely think that this was a welcomed installment into the franchise, even though it is a fan film, it definitely didn't feel like one. They had such fantastic cinematography, spot-on acting, and really set the atmosphere with this film. And then if you end up watching that or have already seen it, I definitely recommend Never Hike in the Snow, which is actually a prequel to Never Hike Alone. All in anticipation of the upcoming Never Hike Alone 2. But like I said, quick rundown here. Great film. Awesome cinematography. Fantastic acting. A cameo appearance. And just a bloody good time. So definitely check it out. It is available on YouTube. I have Blu-ray copies of Never Hike Alone and Never Hike in the Snow at home, because I really believe in this project, and I really enjoy fan films. You know, in my honest opinion, fan films are even better than the ones we get in, or better than the films we get in Hollywood. Uh, Most companies are more about making a quick buck, and the fan films and the people who direct them, they're more service to the fans and people who love these characters and movies. So I feel like you're getting more out of the fan films than you are with a Hollywood movie. So definitely go support some local fan films, and we also have other films such as The Haddonfield Nightmare and Jason Rising, and hopefully soon to come out Charles with Tony Biz. The trailers look phenomenal, so definitely go check some of those out, though. And I really highly recommend Never Hike Alone, especially if you like Jason and the Friday the 13th franchise. Like I said, this breathes a whole new fresh breath of life into the series, and I felt like it definitely belonged in the series. When I watch all the movies, I watch all 8, and then I watch, Freddy vs. Jason, and then I watch the Never Hike Alone series, because I feel that they all, belong together. So that's just my honest opinion, and if I was going to give this film a ranking, I would definitely give it a 10. This was a spot-on movie, and I really enjoyed it. And like I said, acting was phenomenal, and they really set the tone with this movie, and the atmosphere, and just the cinematography and everything that went into this, all the time and effort that they put into these movies, definitely paid off. So thank you guys for tuning in, hanging out with me here as I hike through the woods a little bit in honor of this film. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you join the Nightmare on Woodsboro Lake family. All right. Keep killing it out there, my friends. Just remember, don't get caught.
Game over.